Best practices start at home. Before traveling to campus each day, check your temperature and complete the COVID-19 daily self-checklist. The checklist covers symptoms such as fever, cough, shortness of breath, and other symptoms associated with COVID-19. If your temperature is above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you answer yes to any of the checklist questions, stay home and call your supervisor. Email the COVID-19 response team and contact your primary care doctor or other medical professional. If you begin to feel ill while at work, notify your supervisor immediately. The checklist is available for download at this address. Act quickly if you are diagnosed with COVID-19. Quarantine yourself immediately and report your results to the COVID-19 response team or to the Georgia Tech Police Department. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, you should only discontinue isolation if you have no fever for 72 hours, your symptoms have improved, and at least 10 days have passed since your first symptoms appeared. If any member of the Georgia Tech community receives a positive test or diagnosis, Stamps Health Services will work with their immediate supervisor to notify the offices or units where the person could have had contact with other faculty, staff, or students. Affected areas will be cleaned and disinfected in accordance with established protocols.